Today we are, well, having a haircut, and today we are same process as the soundproofing. We're going around with this big roll. This is a thicker insulation. It's adhesive on the back, and we're just warming up our van. What we're also going to do, as well as kind of get these walls, is any offcuts like this we're going to put behind these sort of struts, just to kind of give it extra warmth. What's the plan today, my dear?
Well, we definitely need to clean up. I think we need to do a bit more of this, don't we?
We need to do a bit more insulation on this side.
Yeah.
I don't think we filmed that last time,
No.
but we've gone around and filled in a lot of the cavities.
Yeah. To finish that off, and then we might start to put down the dodo mat.
The last time we filmed, there was a leak coming in there, and I'm happy to say that I've sealed it all up with some silicone sealant, and it was dry, so I've just done that all the way along that rail, and so far so good. So we went ahead and insulated it. In the van we have given up. Given up with a plan. And the first stage of the plan is to build this workbench. This is the plan. The plan is batten at various different points around the van. You're going to use that Dodo Supermat liner to squidge in all the metal bits that are still exposed. Then also we're going to glue all along these ribs, weigh it down, and stick it. Hold on! Where are we?
On the motorway.
We are on the motorway coming back from Great Harwood, don't care, where we have just collected our bed.
That's what I was just about to say. First views are here. It is very yellow. We are very excited about the yellow. So,
Yeah. Get out me van shot. Hello.
hi.
It's a van day.
It's a van day. Hey, Martin.
Let's run through what we've done. But we've kind of put these battens in. Not much battening, but we've glued them. They're not going anywhere. Just something to screw the ply to. But first, we need to insulate. That's the van floor insulated, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
We've got all of our battens in, glued. Now we just need to cut out the ply boards, tack them into place, and we're going to run a strip of glue down there, screw it together.
Ray! V-Day.
V-Day. Van Day. It's D-Day. We're contemplating drilling holes. Trying to figure out where's best to put this spreader plate in. We think that this is the best place. Come see, come see. Under here, get this spreader plate on about there. And that should, and I'm upside down, give us enough space there. It's clear. Get rid of that vibration stuff. What do you think, Mish? I know you just want me to drill holes, don't you? This is scary stuff for me. Potential schoolboy error in that I didn't account for the cushion that goes on the back here. So it was a good job I didn't drill my hole because it needs to go forward. So after almost making the fatal mistake of screwing this down, I realised that we hadn't put this in yet, which meant that I'd actually kind of align my holes up with the bar to come right to the edge of here. So it's good that I noticed that. It's good that I ponder on things, isn't it, Mish? Not yet, you haven't. I'm drilling holes in the van.
Is that not what it's supposed to do?
I don't know until I look underneath.
We have a probably successful hole.
We have a hole in a place that looks alright. Where's this other spreader plate? Number 5 pilot hole right through the van. And we get it with the 11mm. Just double checking and marking for the next set of holes for the spreader plates. Through my calculations, we're not going to hit anything if we go in here. Just drilled the front 2 holes right through the van, but I kind of overlooked a big sort of supporting cross beam that goes right down in between the 2 holes. So that means that underneath I can't fit that. Here I am under the van. So this is the first set of holes, so I can get the spreader plate in there. But for the front view, you can see I filled my hole there. Got this bloody big thing there, and then I've got my other hole over there. But what I have got is these real heavy duty hinges. I'm thinking I can kind of make a mini spreader plate to go over there. That will just give it the most stability I can give it. Look who's just arrived from school. Just the guy to help me screw this bad boy in. That was a bit of a job, wasn't it, Dom?
Yeah.
Now, got a seat bolted to the floor.
Next.
Awesome!